Hi everyone, Nick Nolan here with MVP Realty. Today we are taking a drone flight over the new Vanderbilt Beach Road Extension construction project. As you can see, the expansion is starting at Collier Boulevard and continuing all the way to 16th Street Northeast. The new road is going to be 6 lanes wide from Collier Boulevard all the way to Wilson Boulevard. Many people along this route had their land purchased via eminent domain from the county in order to make this project possible. This road's highly anticipated by most as a way to relieve traffic from other boulevards in the area, such as Immokalee Road. Right here we're looking at the Massey Street intersection, which includes a retention pond and a left and right turn lane, as well as retaining part of Old Vanderbilt Beach Road. There are some additional improvements that will be made to Massey Street as well. We're now approaching the neighborhood of Greyhawk. You can see the golf club there on the left. Here's the entrance into Greyhawk. There will be a left and right turn lane, so if you're coming back into your neighborhood from the beach, you'll be able to turn left into the neighborhood's main entrance. On your left, we are passing by Old Florida Golf Course. At this juncture, Vanderbilt Beach Road does a little bit of an S-turn as it crosses in front of the south entrance to Valencia Trails. At that intersection, there is no left turn coming from the west, so you would have to make a U-turn further down the road in order to get into Valencia Trails from Vanderbilt Beach Road. Continuing east, Vanderbilt Beach Road approaches the Curry Creek Canal, and from there continues as 6 lanes all the way to Wilson Boulevard. There are a number of retention ponds that are being built along that route. Beyond Wilson Boulevard, Vanderbilt Beach Road will be a 2-lane road. However, there are plans to expand it to 4 lanes in the future. I hope you enjoyed this update video, and please subscribe to my channel and keep watching for more updates on things happening in Naples, Florida. This is Nick Nolan with MVP Realty. Thank you.